In today's demo, we're going to go over our windowed letter product. This should be used when you have an address list in a CSV file, and then you have a static PDF that you want mailed to everyone on that list. If you have any questions about how to create a CSV file or a PDF file, you can click the Help button here, and there are some videos on how to create those file types. Now, to get started, the first thing you have to do is decide which type of windowed letter you want to send. We have both first class and certified, and then we also have it with or without a cover sheet. If the first page of your PDF is blank in the top 3 inches, then you don't need to use the cover sheet. As you can see here in the blue area, that's where we print the return address and the mailing address. If this was a certified letter, we also show where we print the certified tracking barcode and the tracking number, formatted for our windowed envelope. If you have text in that area, you're going to want to choose the job types that have the cover sheet. Again, either first class or certified. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to choose a cover sheet first class. The first thing that you need to do is name your job. I'm going to call this one the employee mailing. And then we're going to click Browse and find our CSV file. There it is right here. If you click this box, then you can actually manually type in names and addresses. Certainly easier to have them in a CSV format. There's some additional options here. There's an additional video that you can click on to learn a little bit more about those fields. Once you have this filled out, click Continue, and you're going to go to our next screen, which is our field selection screen. If your column headings in your data file match up to something that we recognize, we'll put it in here. If it doesn't, it's going to say unused. You can either leave that unused or you can fill it in with the correct information. This kind of looks like an account number. Once you have lined up all your fields, everything looks good, just hit Continue. Next thing it's going to do is ask for the return address. Again, it's going to default to your main address. You can type in something else here if you want to. You can also upload an image if you have a logo that you want us to put in there instead. Or if you have a saved logo on our site, you can select one here as well. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to use the return address. Hit Continue. Next thing we have to do is add the PDF document to the mailing. So you're going to click Add a Document. If you have a saved document, you can click on it here. Otherwise, click Browse and upload your document. I'm going to be doing this one. Tell us what kind of paper to print it on. Here are all the different options. Tell us how many pages it is. I happen to know this one's 3 pages. You could choose either black and white printing or color printing, and then simplex or duplex, whether or not we print on both sides of the page. You can also add this to your saved items, in which case it'll show up on this list next time. I'll call this employee doc. Oop, I spelled employee wrong. And update that. Then you can see it here. You can also add additional documents by clicking this button and just repeating the process. You can also add return envelopes that go inside by clicking Add an Envelope, and has the different envelope choices that you have here. But if all you have is this single one document, nothing else going in, hit Continue. The next screen shows you all the names and addresses that were in your data file. On any one of these, you can click View and actually see exactly what we're going to print and mail. Here's a sample cover page, and then the document that goes after it. Any one of these you can click Delete, and we won't print and mail that particular address. Once it gets deleted, it gets put down here under Deleted Recipients. If you accidentally delete one, you can restore it by clicking the Restore button. If everything looks okay here, just hit Continue. The next step is just confirming the quantities. We uploaded 30, none were deleted. We're going to mail 30, and you can check this box that just says that everything looks good. Hit Confirm and Continue, and then you're done. Just have to go to our checkout screen and pay for the job. If you have any additional questions on how to send a windowed letter, just click the contact button right here, You can send us an email, or you can give us a call at one of these numbers. Thanks for watching.